Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage your name visibility on PayPal. Understand that PayPal mandates your full legal name for account creation and verification, for security and regulatory compliance. Completely hiding your legal name from your personal account is not an option provided. The most effective way to control how your name appears to others during transactions is by utilizing a PayPal business account, which offers different display settings. When you send or receive money with a personal PayPal account, your full legal name is generally visible to the other party. In contrast, a PayPal business account allows you to register and display a business name for transactions. This means your personal name remains private, while your chosen business name appears on invoices, payment requests, and transaction details. It's a key difference for anyone wanting more control over their identity. To get started, you can either upgrade your current personal PayPal account to a business one or simply open an entirely new business account. During the setup process, you will be prompted to enter your chosen business name, which is what others will see during transactions. Be ready to provide details like your business category and a realistic estimate of your monthly sales volume, perhaps around $2,000 or more. Once your business account is active, your registered business name becomes the public-facing identifier. When you send an invoice or a payment request, your business name will be prominently displayed to the recipient, not your personal name. Similarly, when someone sends you money, they will see your business name on their transaction confirmation. Internally, PayPal still links your legal name for security and regulatory compliance, but it won't be shown to your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.